Today I'm going over the TheraCane. I'm going to be showing you how to use this on a couple of acupressure points today for the shoulders. And we're going to be getting into that right now. Welcome back, friends, and if this is your first time and you want to improve your posture, decrease pain, and enhance your overall wellness, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss anything. I have done a review video on this last year, so I will leave that link up here for you guys to check out. The first point that we're going to be looking at is gallbladder 21. It's going to be 3 fingers outside of the base of the neck, out, and it's going to come straight down on top of the shoulder. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the TheraCane. We're going to be placing this nub on top of that shoulder. We're going to hold the bottom, the base, with our lower hand. You can either grip it like so, with your hand, your thumb underneath here, your whole fingers above this area, or you can hold it underneath just straight at the base. We're going to take the upper hand, we're going to have the thumb on the inside, the fingers are going to come on the outside. We're going to place the nub directly down on that point, and we're going to press down. So you're just holding your arm close to your body, so we're not going to move this at all. This also protects your other shoulder. And we're just going to be pressing straight down. You're going to breathe as you press down in the nose and out the nose. And as you exhale, you're pressing down a little bit more, and you're inhaling in and exhaling out. Feels so good. A second step to this, you might take this lower hand, and as I'm inhaling, I set myself up, and as I exhale, I'm going to press down and I'm going to push my lower hand out slightly. It's going to add a little bit of an angle, and for some of you, your tight point on gallbladder 21 is going to be a little bit at an angle, and we want to get the acupressure point just right. Sometimes it is all about the angle and how you get into it that helps it to release most optimally. Okay, so that's gallbladder 21. Now we're going to get into triple warmer 15. Triple warmer 15, you're going to find gallbladder 21, and you're just going to go back a couple of fingers. Okay, and you should feel a big knot. I pretty much guarantee you're going to feel a big knot. You should have a matching one on the other side. So triple warmer 15, we're going to hook over. So we're taking the same hand position. We're going to be hooking over, getting into that point, find that knot, find that tender point. Okay, if you hit that scapula, you've gone too far. So it's just above the scapula. So find that point. You're going to inhale. As you exhale, you're going to be pressing down, and then push that lower hand. You're pushing that lower hand out. Okay, so inhaling, exhaling, pressing down, and gently push that lower hand out. Ooh, that feels so great. Now I'm going to give you a second option, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of movement on it. So watch my hand. I'm going to be doing this kind of a movement with it. Do you see what I'm doing here? Okay. So I'm going to inhale. I'm going to exhale. I'm going to press down, and then I'm just going to move the lower hand in and out as I exhale. And I'm going to drop the chin down to relax it even more. Inhale, stop. And exhale, move. Those are 2 points that are absolutely phenomenal for the shoulders. Just as a side note, this nub can be slippery, as with all the other ones, on your clothes. So for some people, you might actually find it a better grip if you're on bare skin. And be careful if you have too much lotion on, then that can also make it slip as well. How long do you want to use this for? You can use this for like 3 to 5 minutes per point. Be careful. Make sure to use lots of breathing. I have excellent breath work videos that I will put at the end of this video so you can check it out. You want to make sure that you are doing deep breathing. Bring the chin down. That's going to help to release the back of the neck, just to relax it. Give it a little added extra therapeutic stretch with it. And it's also going to stretch here on this trapezius, the splenius capitis, okay, the levator, scapula, those muscles. It's going to help to stretch through those muscles while you're working on the specific acupressure points. There are more shoulder points, but I want you guys to give this a try first and let me know how you like it. Are your points tender? Have you ever used this in acupressure points before, or are you only using this on trigger points? The acupressure points are absolutely fantastic and you really need to learn them. So I want to encourage you guys to check out some of the videos that I have on acupressure points, and I will be doing more of them. And if you want more of them, definitely make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Follow me on my Instagram at The Posture Specialist. I have monthly memberships on Patreon, especially for seniors, because I'm really into helping seniors. So definitely check those out. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Happy posturing.